So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can make payments on Flipkart. Flipkart happens to be an e-commerce app, and let's do it right from the scratch. We go to the Play Store because we are on Android device and download and install the app. I presume that you already have an account on Flipkart, and this tutorial is more about knowing the payment mechanisms. So it's not about item selection and stuff like that, but we do need something right in the cart. So we add this to our cart and we go to the cart. So there you go, we have something to place an order on. And since we already are logged into our account, so this will actually show maybe the address by default. So okay, we need to make some payments, that is 191 rupees, and this is the most important page. Now this is where I want you to focus on. So we'll see what we have on screen is the payment mechanism. So we have net banking, we have credit debit ATM card, which we can also use. We have phone pay or Bhim UPI. We have UPI as such, so you can use like any UPI that you have, not necessarily phone pay or Bhim. You can also use net banking, and you can use cash on delivery. What does cash on delivery mean? This is the only option which you basically pay only once you items are delivered. So once the guy comes in with the delivery, you are required to pay him. All others require payment on advance. Now you may see sometimes that COD is also disabled, much like EMI. What does that mean? That means that mm, the item is not available for COD. That is, like for that particular item, COD option is not there. You need to necessarily pay in advance using any of the other mechanisms. I believe we all are now at least knowing what credit debit card means. So anytime you take or you have access to a bank account, you are provided with a debit card. And you also have nowadays so many credit cards. So I have HDFC and SBI one. So we can make obviously payments using those credit or debit mechanisms. PhonePe and Bheem happen to be the digital wallet transactions which many people now presently use, also Google Pay. So here PhonePe and Bheem are being supported. UPI obviously, like I presently, I mean, I just made a tutorial on how to create a UPI using Bheem. So you can obviously use UPI as well. So I mean, these are different mechanisms, and in today's tutorial, just to make it valuable, let us go ahead and uh, do a net banking so that we can actually go ahead and make a payment on Flipkart. So like this becomes a tutorial on how to make payments on Flipkart. So you can see when you select net banking, you get various options of different banks. So I actually hold a ICICI bank account, and therefore I'm selecting the ICICI one, and I click on pay now. So what that would mean is it would direct me to the bank portal wherein it will prompt me for details. So there you go. Now it's prompting me to put in my user credentials. So my user ID, to be honest, and then my password. Once I do that, I click on payment login. And then as you can see, it directs me to my payment page wherein it simply prompts me to click on pay. And as soon as I do that, my payment for 191 rupees gets processed. That is like basically what the item was for, and it will then redirect me to the Flipkart page stating that the order has been placed and stuff like that. So once you go ahead and do that, you can then obviously track your orders and all those crazy things. So there you go, I'm getting messages that my order's been placed and stuff like that. So you can also track that on your settings under my orders, so you can see like the order that you have placed and every all thing. You can cancel it in case you want and stuff like that. But today's tutorial was not about all this, and I will just repeat the steps. So more or less, it was about understanding, like, what are the different payment mechanisms. So subsequent to the stages of adding something to the cart, uh, I mean, you would need to make payments. So this is the page which I wanted you all to focus on, and you get to see the different payment mechanisms that exist as of now. That's on like 17th of December 2019. So you can make credit debit payments or maybe UPI payments, which are supported by PhonePe, Bheem, and or any other UPI wallet mechanisms. Then you can make payment by net banking, which we did. In certain cases, COD is also available. That is like once the delivery guy comes in with the shipment, you then pay. So in this case, 190 rupees, I would have then paid him, not necessarily paying in advance like we did right now. But this may not be enabled on many shipment. So in case you don't see it, don't panic or something. So this are the payment mechanisms, and this was one of the ways in which we made payment on Flipkart. So in case you think this helped, go ahead and kind of share this with friends, families, and every other person whom you think this may help. Please share it on social media, WhatsApp, and all those wonderful places wherein this can reach many people. Stuff like this may be basic to you and me, but not necessarily basic to your parents. I mean, older people and people from the third countries and other places also who are trying to kind of acquaint themselves. In fact, even for me a few years back, I used to kind of wonder on how to use digital payment wallet mechanisms and stuff like that. And therefore now it becomes pretty easy for me and you. Maybe we want to make it easy for them as well. And therefore all those basic tutorials. You can go ahead and help me by subscribing to my channel and sharing my work with as many friends as possible on WhatsApp and other social media. That would be of so much help. Thank you, and please stay tuned as we make not only basic but also advanced tutorials coming your way very soon.